So the closest Hardee's to my hotel was an hour away. I drove an hour away from my hotel to get some Hardee's and get some free Crash Bandicoot consoles from the early 2000s. Let's hope I'm lucky. Look, guys, I got chips everywhere. But either way, how lucky am I? They managed to pack the entire Crash kids meal set in here. Because look, this is one in a bag for Hardee's, and it's got 3 Crash things on it: a pullback, and a bend back. I think they gave me a used cigarette. We've got a pullback, and it's Crash riding his little jet boardy thing. You pull it back and he falls over. Oh wait, Crash apart Crash. It's supposed to have a box he can break. Hardee's, you forgot to pack the breakable Crash Bandicoot breakable box toy. Then we have this thing here. We got a little bendable Crash, and do you know what? I thought it was going to be a piece of crap, but it's actually all right. He does bend pretty much in every direction.
Round 5 of 28. Jesus. I'm going up against the Dark Dirigible Titan. Hopefully it doesn't screw me up. Otherwise I'll be the Dark Dirigible Screw Over. White balloons? Not to fret. The bionic boomer is almost here. Sorry. Mum? I'm only like 22 rounds away from facing the Dark Dirigible Titan, and there's rainbow balloons coming out in this round. Holy hell. That's when you know it's spicy, isn't it? Where rainbow balloons come out in round 6. I'm only like 4 times away until I face the dark, stupid idiot.
Okay, go.
Because the properties of a DDT is black, is camo. Well, black is it cannot be blown up by bombs. Lead is it can be blown up by bombs, but not by sharp objects.
Yeah.
And camo, which means it can only be seen by certain monkeys. Okay. So you have to have all those just to beat one singular type of Moab, which is a DDT, like bruh. This is not good, isn't it? Bounds round.
Josh.
Sorry. Not to fret. Bionic Boomer is here to save the day. You get some muns. Like, a lot of muns. Like, Jesus Christ. There we go. Round 9. Round 9 of 28. Mum, can I please have your phone?
It's downstairs in my handbag.
Oh my gosh. Where's your handbag?
It's the one with the bikes on it.
Bikes. Okay, where to find the bikes? Whoa, yeah, whoa. Okay. Whoa, calm down, old horse. How you doing today? What we can seek? I only have, 18 more rounds until I face the Dr. Riggable Idiot. Where's the bag with motorcycles on it?
Don't know.
Why?
Because I need to get Mum's phone.
It's not in there. So I took it to school the other day. Oh, it's down there.
Uh-huh. Well, at least I now have the hydro rocket pods. Okay, I now have the hydro rocket pods. I still don't have enough to beat a DDT. Hopefully this is okay. Oh God, please help me. The Dr. Riggable Titan will beat my ass, otherwise I'll beat his ass by just absolutely defeating the camo properties. Peh! Not to fret, another boomer is here. You can't see camo, so you're not doing anything. Okay, right. Look at him go. Just saving up my money so I can get another stupid idiot. Wait. The Dr. Riggable Titan. Does that mean I'll have to be facing ZOMGs? If so, then oh God, please help me. I am going to suffer so much. Sorry. Those are ceramics, and we're only halfway. Jesus, round 15 of 28. Moab's on round... Moab's on round 15. Okay, now they're really starting to up the ante here. Bruh! You kidding me? Okay, whatever. I'm surprised they can even take care of this on their own. Oh God, 12 rounds before we have to face the Dr. Riggable Idiot. We just get so much money. Sorry, Dad, I didn't mean to. We can also deal with Moabs. Go. Now we can deal with BFBs. Look how many hydro rocket pods. My money is going up. Whoa, yeah. Ooh. Geesh. Okay, dual shock controller, calm down. Okay, good. Now I can deal with better. Okay, it's better now. Oh wait, 7 rounds? Oh, I didn't realize. Uh-oh, 6 rounds. Do I have to face a BFB? Because if I do, then go... Oh, God, help me. Okay, good. Okay, round 23. Okay. This is absolutely crazy. Round 20... Oh, my God, I am 4 rounds away. BFBs. 2 of them, by the way. And I somehow dealt with... I like how, after all of that, was a red balloon. Ha! Sorry, Dad. Why do I keep on making that stupid noise? Okay, I have maxed out my darlings, so now what? I'm gonna... What should I get? Oh God. What? I need to think. I need to think. I don't know. Get the thing so they can... Oh, frick. Well, that didn't work. We need something that can see camo. Well, let me get another one of these so I can deal with more of those stupid idiots. Okay, almost to last round. Jeez. We're already this far, and we haven't even lost a single life. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, DDT inbound. Okay, I gotta pay attention. I gotta follow the DDT because it's really fast. Okay, where is he? Where is he? Oh, there he is! Attack! Guys, attack! Attack him, go! Attack! Perfect. Also, first impoppable match that I won. Yay! You go ahead, fly, plane. Oh, I love you flying. Flying for my victory. Whee! Off the screen. Oh, he's back. He's back.